Welcome to Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we'll discuss how IoT sensors are transforming maintenance from a reactive approach to a proactive one. Joining me is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Alex, welcome.
Thanks, Bruce. Excited to dive into this.
Let's start with the basics. How do you define reactive versus proactive maintenance?
Reactive maintenance is when you fix things after they break. Proactive maintenance is all about predicting and preventing issues before they happen, using data from IoT sensors.
So IoT sensors help us predict failures?
Exactly. They track parameters like temperature and vibrations in real time, sending data to systems that analyze it to forecast potential failures. For example, if a motor shows unusual vibrations, an alert goes out, and the issue can be fixed before it disrupts operations.
That's a big shift in efficiency. What benefits does proactive maintenance bring?
It cuts down unplanned downtime, optimizes resources, and saves money. You can schedule maintenance when needed, not just because it's routine. Equipment lifespan increases and costs decrease due to fewer emergency repairs.
Sounds great, but what are the challenges companies face when implementing IoT?
The main challenge is integrating sensors with legacy equipment. Also, managing the massive amount of data from these sensors can be overwhelming. Businesses need the right tools to turn that data into actionable insights.
So starting with critical assets and scaling up seems like a good strategy?
Exactly. Start small with key equipment, monitor the results, and then expand. As you see the value, scale up the system across your operation.
And that makes sense. Now let's talk about the tech side for a moment. IoT sensors are generating all this data, but how do companies process it effectively?
Great question. The data needs to be processed through analytics tools that can filter out the noise and focus on what's important. Machine learning algorithms can help identify patterns that humans might miss, making predictions more accurate. Many systems now use AI to automatically flag potential failures, reducing the manual effort for the team.
That's fascinating. So not only are you predicting issues, but the system is learning and improving predictions over time. What does the future look like for IoT and maintenance?
The future is incredibly exciting. As IoT sensors become even more advanced and affordable, we'll see them integrated into more and more equipment. Coupled with AI and machine learning, we'll be able to predict failures with even greater accuracy. The real future is in predictive maintenance with autonomous systems that can fix problems without human intervention.
That's mind-blowing. It seems like IoT is not just changing maintenance, it's transforming entire industries. Thank you, Alex, for sharing your expertise today.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's always exciting to talk about how IoT and predictive maintenance are reshaping industries.
And thank you, listeners, for tuning in. Start small, think big, and stay ahead with IoT-driven proactive maintenance. Until next time.